More palm trees. And we are in Ocean Beach now.
Trying to hit any fucking house.
Oh, it's mounted, so you don't have to worry about me. It is 6:13 in the p.m. More traffic. Welcome to Southern California. I could really see there being like a following to this. People that just want to, you know. We could call it San Diego Classic Car Tours. Just get a fleet of them. Or I could just, you know, have like a YouTube channel and just drive around. This is the view of driving in a classic car in Southern California. In case anyone wondered, it's just like driving every other car, except more people stare at you, and everyone's so nice and compliments me whenever I drive around.
How nice are people?
People are so nice. They're all so nice out here. I mean, we had the guy in the BMW, a second BMW driver coming and giving me a compliment. And
yeah, but that was out in East County. They do that.
Well, they, you know what? Even up in Los Angeles, they were doing that too. So, what do you think about that? You just have to, I just have to wax this every day, and you know, gotta keep it pretty so people will compliment me. You know, it's literally fishing for compliments. I feel personally. We are starting to transition over into the swanky part, the rich folk part, as I like to call it, of Ocean Beach. It's amazing, if you cross one street, you're in a shitty part of town. As soon as you make it to the other side of that street,
it's like $1 million mansions.
It's $1 million mansions. So the rich and the poor do live side by side. A lot of bumps coming. So Craig, what can you tell me? And please speak clearly enough for the microphone to pick up what's being said. Is, you know,
finish.
I don't know if me having the headphones plugged in there turned the microphone off.
Probably.
But we'll see when I recap on the video. Now we are coming to the Sunset Cliffs portion of the drive, and this is where the multi-million-dollar homes reside.
The ones falling into the ocean.
They're falling into the ocean. They're going to be the first ones when the 2012 movie hits. A little coastal road.
Notice pelicans.
There's pelicans. I don't know if I can't really.
They fly overhead over and over again.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Oh, there's
Is this the ice cream man?
No, it's just a person driving in a van.
Come on.
That
His boobs.
Craig and his boobs. Try and maneuver this camera here so we can see the breathtaking shoreline view. Not really, but it's neat. I don't want to take it off though. You know. But back to some $1 million homes and random driving. Any facts you can tell me about Ocean Beach there? We'll call you California, Craig.
Ocean Beach is...
Please speak loudly so the microphone can pick you up.
Ocean Beach has been pretty much left in the dust. There's no major roads that go to it, so a lot of weirdos live here. It's really out of the way. Traffic's really bad.
There's a surfer for all you surfer ladies there.
There's a really good reef right off the coast here. There's no beach. You have to climb off the cliffs to get in the water.
And we'll demonstrate that here. The cliff.
How about we park here first?
Oh, you want to park here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a good spot.
And
Waves aren't really high today, but
we're gonna shut it off here.